small business customers are looking to quickly find and deploy solutions to the real problems they're having in their business from day to day. In 2014, the opportunity to be able to deliver this as a Microsoft partner, no matter how big or small you are, no matter the type of partner you have historically been, the opportunity to deliver this is very real. In this Under the Hood session, we'll look at how you can quickly and easily build and publish applications to solve problems, but without having to be an experienced developer and by using tools you're already familiar with. Let's start in Access 2013, where we're going to build the asset tracking app we saw in the previous demo. So you can see Access has the option to create a standard blank database or a web app, or there are some default templates like this asset tracking app, which is the one we're going to choose. So let's get the app a name. We're going to call it Customer Asset Manager. And all I need to do now is tell Access where we want to publish the app. So I'm going to go to my Sharepoint Online site and just cut and paste this URL. I only need that part of it. And I'll copy that and paste it back into the web location here. So that tells Access where to publish the application for me. So I'm going to hit Create. And that'll take about 30 or 40 seconds now just to create and publish that application to the Sharepoint Online site. But again, I've been able to get this far without any knowledge of development. Alright, so a minute or so has passed and Access has finished publishing that app. So what I'll do is I'll just go back down to that Sharepoint Online site. Let's refresh and we'll see that our Customer Asset Management app, there it is, now appears here on this site. So before I launch into that, what I might do is just go back to Access, because of course if you do have some development skills or you're an Access guru, you can go in and make changes to this app and customize it even further. So in this case, if we go into one of the tables and perhaps we can add a field, let's call it serial number. So we'll just add the detail that we need here. And then let's go and change, we'll just save that, then change one of the forms so that we can add our serial number for field to it. So let's go to the Access Asset field here. Oh, there we go. The serial number is already there. So what I'll do is let's just change it. Let's just move it up to the top of this form. And again, the point being that you can easily learn to use Access to customize these applications. You can add logos, you can add some smart logic into the applications just by learning a little bit more around these apps in Access. So now that I've made those changes, I'll just go into the application and there you go. You can see that there's my serial number field that I just added through the Access client. So easily able to customize those. In the previous demo, we saw how it was not only simple to publish an app, but then to make it available to people external from your organization. And we do that by hitting this share option up here, which actually shares this entire Sharepoint Online site. In this case, we want to share it with Sarah. And we don't mind sharing the entire site with her because this is actually a site we've set up specifically for Northwind Traders, which is the company that Sarah works for. And so we can give her access to the documents that are on here because they're documents that we work with this customer on anyway. So I'm going to type in a little message here saying, hey, Sarah, you're going to be really pleased now because you can access the asset tracker anytime. You can see I can change permission levels. I can give her edit or read only. And I'm going to now send that invitation to her. So she'll receive that in her inbox and that'll look a little bit like this. So this is Sarah's email. If I open it up, there's her invitation to access the Northwind Traders Sharepoint Online site. If I click on that, that's actually going to go straight into the site because I'm already signed in this in private browser here as Sarah. But normally it would ask to sign in with her Microsoft ID, and that's how it authenticates to this account. And so that's how simple it can be to publish an application to Sharepoint Online and then make it available not only to your own internal staff, but also to external customers or partners in your business as well. Another option we have to help customers solve their problems is to leverage the applications that other people have written. So in Sharepoint Online, we can add an application and we can actually use the Sharepoint store to find great applications that others have published and are made available in the store. Some of which are free, many of which are free in fact, and some of which of course are paid apps as well. Now in the case of the demo I showed with the real estate company in the other video, it was a mileage application for logging miles. So if I just search for mileage, you can see that there is an application in the store that in fact relates to that. But if I browse through some of these other categories, you'll see there's plenty of apps in the store to choose from that solve all sorts of problems and that enable you to really offer great solutions to SMB customers on top of the SharePoint Online platform. And of course, even though you didn't build the app, the customers still need a partner to help them deploy the application, perhaps to set up the application, maybe even to train users to use the application, to integrate it with other applications. So there's still plenty of opportunity there as a partner to help the customer make the most of the solution. And of course, the store represents a terrific opportunity for you to publish the apps you've created in the store and monetize those as well.